On the dot, want to get you an update on the tropics, see what's going on across the broad Atlantic basin. Happy to say there is nothing going on for right now. And as a matter of fact, even looking into the Gulf of Mexico, there is nothing going on for now. But that said, it is here in the Gulf of Mexico that we are going to be over the next couple of days watching as a cold front sags down and perhaps tries to bubble up just a little bit of energy. The National Hurricane Center has highlighted this area as having a 30% likelihood of developing something over the next couple of days' time. Now, here's the overall idea. Here's where we are today. Old front draped up to the north. It's definitely bringing flooding potential to North Florida. But as that front just kind of sags these next couple of days, we're going to watch a little kink of energy kind of trying to form Wednesday, especially into Thursday. And it's in that timeline. If that little kink of energy is able to get out over water, we do have the opportunity to see some form of tropical activity. Now, when we develop these homegrown tropical things, they typically don't get very strong. They typically don't live very long, but they typically produce big rainfall. Here's a look at the rainfall forecast over the next 7 days in the Gulf Coast, and you can see a half a foot of rain is possible from Louisiana all the way through the Florida Panhandle based on the current model thinking that we have. Now, that all said, let's look and see what the raw computer models are showing. This is the 0Z run of the GFS, timestamp top right corner of your screen. The greens and the blues, that's the lower pressure from the actual cold front. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Notice the GFS is not developing anything, okay? So let's go back in time and let's switch over to the European model. Because interestingly enough, it's the European model that's wanting to develop this. So there's the lower pressure, those blue shades that you're seeing there. But more particularly here in Wednesday 12Z. So that's Wednesday morning at 8 a.m., continuing into Thursday, continuing into Friday. You see right here, that's the model trying to lower pressure right over Mobile Bay. That's Saturday. It's overland, but it's kind of overland, sweeps around and gets back out over the water and then back over land. So the European is the one that's actually indicating this. Now, we could dive a little deeper if we look at the ensembles. Give me 2 seconds to get this set up. If we look at the ensemble members, okay? This is the GFS ensemble. Again, watch the timestamp. And it's kind of hinting at something here, right? Saturday into Sunday. The operational doesn't show it, but you can kind of see a couple little lows trying to develop around the northern Gulf Coast in that time frame. Now let's back this up and let's switch over from the GFS ensembles to the European ensemble, okay? And we always check the ensembles just to have an idea. This is the 0Z run. We'll have the 6Z run when I see on Coffee Talk. But you can kind of start to see here, Thursday lowered pressures. You see this here? Lowering pressures around Sunday, several little things. So the ensembles are definitely picking it up. And the European is sniffing this out much more than the GFS is, okay? Big rains over the Gulf Coast for now. That's the only game in town. 30% chance of something developing out in the tropics, more specifically in the Gulf of Mexico. We'll have brand new model data and, of course, much more in your local forecast when I see you live at 8 a.m. for Coffee Talk. Be the sunshine in someone else's day. Bye, guys.